TV!
Hi, I'm Victoria from Time for Kids TV, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best buttercream icing. Using an electric mixer, beat butter in a bowl until pale. Gradually add icing sugar mixture and beat on low until combined. Then increase the mixer from low to medium to high speed. Add milk a little bit at a time until icing is smooth. Add a few drops of food colouring and beat until combined. It looks amazing! And it tastes delicious. See you next time. Bye for now. For more Time for Kids TV music and cooking videos, go to our playlist. Don't forget to click on our subscribe button so you don't miss out on new videos each month. Sing along to our catchy songs and learn how to make Play-Doh and cupcakes.